Hi, welcome back to Moose and Chemistry. This is Gass's Charles Law introduction. So what is Charles Law? Charles Law is a volume to temperature relationship. Normally, Charles Law is written as V1 over T1 equals V2 over T2. But your brain practically reads from left to right. So it's easier to see it as V1 T2 equals V2 T1. Now you have to keep in mind that our constant is our pressure, okay? So when you go to solve V1 T2 equals V2 T1, you're gonna have formula variance depending upon what's being asked to be solved. So this is another practical reason for V1 T2 equals V2 T1. Look at this, V1 equals V2 T1 over T2. If you wanna know T2, T2 equals V2 T1 over V1. If you want to know V2, V2 equals V1 T2 over T1. And if you want to know T1, T1 equals V1 T2 over V2. It's also important to remember that you should keep your temperatures in Kelvin. All right, some practical uses for Charles Law. Hot air balloon inflations, that's one thing. Second thing are tire air pressure charts that measure the tire pressure. How does that work? Well, remember when you're driving, you heat up the tires, which causes the air to expand within them. So you can use an air pressure chuck to measure the volume of air, and that will tell you the pressure inside the tire. Pretty darn snarly, huh? And last but not least, the turkey timer. Using air determines the internal temperature of the turkey as it cooks and pops at the perfect temperature when that bird is just perfect to eat. Well, that's it for this lesson. If you like this video, give us a like and consider subscribing so we can grow this channel. You guys be snarly, and we'll see you back here at Moose and Chemistry!